Good morning! Welcome back to our vegan channel, kitchen, blah, 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 blah.
Time to drink water.
Yeah. As if, oh my god, it's like he's on cue. Bobby! Good boy. He's a thirsty boy.
They hear that of the camera and they just run for the water dish.
Yeah. So it's time for another What I Ate Today.
Everybody's favorite.
So what are you eating to start the day?
Well, this morning I started out by taking my sourdough starter out of the refrigerator so that it can come to room temperature because we're going to be making sourdough pizza from scratch
Beautiful.
tonight. Yeah, it's delicious. I have, what a coincidence, some sourdough bread that I made last week. This is unbelievable.
It's really good.
You know, I have to gush over, I don't usually gush over things that I make myself. I'm like, well, if people enjoy it, blah, blah, blah. But this sourdough bread, I could open a bakery with this and just sell sourdough all day long because it's so springy and tasty and tangy, and it's amazing. So we do have a video for that if you want to go check it out. But sourdough it's a little bit extra than making regular bread, but it is totally worth it in the taste and enjoyment that it gives me.
So you're having that toasted with
I'm having it toasted. Otherwise my mother would smack me in the face because she's like, daughter, you should never eat bread unless it's toasted. It's so much better. I have some beautiful, are these from the Northwestern cherries? I'm not sure.
They're from California.
Oh, they're from California? The north of California?
I don't know.
I don't know, but they're delicious.
They are very good. I just had one.
They were on sale this week, so I decided to get a little bag, and they are at the peak of their flavor this morning. I wouldn't normally have fruit for breakfast unless I was doing like an ice cream bowl or something with granola on it. But these cherries, I just looked at them this morning and they said, eat me. So I'm having those. I'm having some of this plant butter on my and I'm having my usual coffee. I'll probably have half a pot of coffee today, the whole day, with some of this Silk oat milk creamer. It's a little sweet, so I usually like to add a little bit of regular
Shandi.
oat milk. Good morning. We'll be having a vegan breakfast, but so that's what I'm having today. What are you
Sean just got up and is immediately demanding tape.
I'll let your waiter know.
I'm just having this Made Good bar to start my day because I'm going to exercise in a little bit, so I don't want to eat anything too heavy before I do that.
Okay. Yeah, because it's going to be hot and heavy.
It's already like, it's very humid. Okay guys, I just did a huge bike ride. Really sweating my A off because it is humid today. So it's a little bit later than I was planning on eating breakfast. It may or may not be 12:37, but I'm having my oatmeal. This is a great recovery food, and I like to put peanut butter in it, some almond milk, and today I'm having blueberries with it, and these are gigantic and so good. So I'm gonna go eat my oatmeal, and then I think I'm gonna do some cleaning, so yay.
All right, I picked the worst day to do it. This is what I ate because I'm probably not gonna eat very much today at all because we're about to go car shopping, and this is kind of like my lunchtime. So I'm going with this peanut butter chocolate chip Larabar and hope that I don't rip someone's head off and eat their brains because I can get quite hangry at times. So I hope this is going to be enough for car shopping.
Alright guys, it's time for lunch. Yay! So I'm having a really simple lunch today. Normally I would have leftovers, but I just felt like having a sandwich today. Sometimes I just want a sandwich. So to start things off, first of all, I'm having some chopped romaine lettuce with my favorite salad dressing, Goddess. Woo! Unfortunately, I'm out of my Asian chopped salad kit, whatever, that I usually have, but this'll do. And then I'm having a simple sandwich here. I don't usually eat these like hamburger buns, but we had 2 left, and see, this one's left. We had 2 left, and I don't want them to go to waste, so I'm gonna eat it. Also, we're kind of short on the sourdough homemade bread right now, so it's fine. I mean, I love a hamburger bun. I just try to avoid them usually because they're not the best for you. This whole lunch is not great for you, but whatever. So anyway, on this sandwich I also have, you can't see it, but under the meat I have this Daya provolone style slice, which is so good. And then this, I want to say this is Light Life, I think. And I think it's supposed to be like ham. In reality, it's more, I would say it's more similar to bologna, which is great because I used to love bologna. Really enjoy that. I can't remember exactly what brand it was because usually when we open them, we put them in these little containers to keep them fresher. But then I also have this mustard on the top. This is the Sir Kensington's Spicy Brown, which isn't too spicy, which I like because I'm not trying to have my nose running right now into my lunch. But no, this mustard is great because it's actually got a little bit of almost like a sweet taste to it. It's really good. So I'm gonna go enjoy that. And I'm gonna watch an episode of The Magicians. Time for a little snack. And I'm gonna go with this Orgain protein snack bar. Yum! Peanut butter chocolate chunk. I might have to have another snack later too because I feel like my lunch was really light today. And I'm hungry. So I'm definitely having this now. And then I might need to also have some cherries later, but we'll see what happens. But these are so freaking good. I eat them all the time. I can't say enough good things about this. No, it is not sponsored. I wish. But yeah, I love these so much. 10 grams of protein, and I say this every time I have it and I show you guys, but the sugar is only 5 grams, and that's so good for a protein bar. So, yeah.
Alright, I didn't eat very much today at all. We were car shopping. We were stuck at the dealer for like 3.5 hours. So we went and stopped at the supermarket on the way home, and I picked up some of this Kim's Magic Pop. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this, but it's basically like Rice Krispies in a big like pancake. It's wheat, brown rice, and corn, and they pop it. It's kind of like pop chips. It's like a giant ass pop chip with like very little salt, and I think they throw some stevia in there. But that's what I ate, and I actually feel kind of sick because I didn't eat enough, unfortunately, but I couldn't avoid, I had to take care of the car thing. So if you want to hear more about the car that we got, make sure you check us out on the Mad Rose D Vlogs channel. But we're about to have dinner, and I made pizza for the boys, you know, with real cheese. We have a beautiful cucumber salad here of cucumbers and red pepper and tomatoes and red onion. Is also the house dressing in here, which is a pomegranate vinaigrette. I got pomegranate vinegar. Where did I get that pomegranate vinegar? It's one of my favorites. I've been using it for everything instead of vinegar. Well, I mean, it is vinegar. I got it at Aldi a while back, and it has the mother in it. So it's good for you. It's kind of like an apple cider vinegar, but it's made with pomegranates. It's fermented is what I mean to say. And of course, granulated garlic, basil, salt, pepper, yeah. All that stuff's in there. So I'll show you the vegan pizza when we cut it up.
Update, I did not have cherries yet. I didn't have a second snack, but it's dinner time.
We're having
beautiful vegan pizza.
Eggplant, and this is Monterey Jack Daya block.
Is that new?
No.
Have we had Monterey Jack before?
We have.
Oh. I'm excited for that.
It's not as smoky as the smoked Gouda, but it's like the smoked Gouda without the smoke.
Mm-hmm. I love the smoked Gouda. That's my favorite one.
So this is my second choice, but delicious
Beautiful.
sourdough pizza crust that I made this morning before I left for the car dealer.
And then we have a beautiful Greek salad here. Yum.
I already showed that.
Oh, okay.
Dinner. Well, this was pretty much a bust for me for eating today.
Why?
In terms of making a video.
Oh, why?
Because this is what I had for lunch. Magic Pops.
That's so sad.
I know.
Sorry.
Did you have a nice day of eating?
It was okay. It wasn't the best, but it was okay.
Alright, well, now I'm having a very delicious Schweppes lemon lime seltzer water with some Skinny Pop.
Nice. I'm having this beautiful vanilla cupcake with vanilla frosting.
Okay.
And Shawnee is having this Twinkie cupcake.
Twinkie cupcake!
Which we just made a video for the other day, if you guys want to check it out.
It's a round Twinkie.
Yeah. So I'm going to give that to him.
Okay.
Here you go, bud. So yeah. It's been a day.
Whoops.
So let us know what you guys have been eating, especially during quarantine and everything.
What's your favorite meal during quarantina?
Yeah, let us know. And leave a comment. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.
Come see our live stream. Oh, too late.
Why don't you come see me live sometimes?
Yeah, well, you could see it next week. It's going to be on Fridays.
Yeah.
2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this channel.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. And until then, much love.